Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a file in your GitHub repository. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is you're going to go to your profile by clicking on the top right, and then from here go to your profile section. Make sure that your profile is fully set, because some profiles, if they are not fully complete for the basic setup, then they cannot add or delete any repositories. Once you make sure of that, you're going to click here again and go to your repositories. And then from here, you're going to select whatever repository you might like. So for example, I'm going to select the C calculator one right here. Once you choose the repository like this, all you have to do is select the file that you want to delete. So for me, for example, I'm going to choose this one. And then from here, once you double check that everything's correct and this is the one that you want to delete, all you have to do is click on the top right section here where it says the top three dots, profile, and then click on delete file. Now from here, you can double check last time, and this is the file, and simply click on commit changes. Once you do that, you're going to write an extended description of what you have deleted, and you can either commit directly to the main branch, which will mainly delete it from every single person user, or you can create a new branch for this commit and start a pull request, which will mean that you will delete it from your own section, but then once you fully confirm it, you can then apply it for everyone that is sharing this same folder or code if you're working as a team. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.